Welcome back, all of you, in our most important question series for JEE Mains and NEET 2026 in liquid solution. Today we will discuss question number 4. For electrochemistry, top 10 question has been already uploaded. You can check in our playlist. So let's check today's question. Question 4 has been asked. This question has been asked in JEE Mains 2019. What is this question? They are asking which one of the following statement regarding Henry law is not correct. Okay, what they are asking, not correct. So keep in mind. Now they are asking the question. The first statement, the value of KH increase with function of nature of gas, means it is have direct relation with nature of gas. Second, KH high, so higher will be solubility at constant pressure. Second, they are telling that the partial pressure of the gas in which phase, vapor phase, is proportional to what? Mole fraction. And last is different gas have different KH at the same temperature. Only if we know the definition of Henry law, all those four options we can easily understand. So first, try to understand the concept. If we'll try to understand what is this Henry law. So suppose in this is water. Okay, so this total is water, and above water gas molecules are there. Let's change the color so you can identify. Gas molecules are there. What you need to understand, when gas molecules are present above, so they are going to exert some pressure, that I am assuming what pressure applied by gas on what? Gas pressure कहाँ apply करेगा? It will apply on this surface. Yes or no? Now after that, you just tell me whatever gas which is going to dissolve in this liquid, so it will be having some moles. कुछ moles होंगे कि नहीं water में? Some moles will be there. So definitely mole fraction will be also there. So what I mean to say, if there is a high pressure, okay, high pressure means what? This Pg is very high, so it will exert more pressure, and more pressure means more amount of gas molecule will come inside the liquid, and if more amount of gas molecule will come, more will be mole, and more will be mole fraction. So what I can say, more pressure is डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ गैस. मतलब अगर प्रेशर ज़्यादा है तो मोल फ्रैक्शन भी ज़्यादा होगा. कहाँ पे? लिक्विड के अंदर. सो टू रिमूव दिस प्रोपोर्शनलिटी साइन आई एम रिमूविंग दिस, सो आई कैन राइट KH mole fraction of gas. So this is the formula for Henry law. Just for your sake of convenience I am reading. P gas means what? Partial pressure of gas above the liquid. Liquid के ऊपर they are talking about this gas molecules. X gas what? Mole fraction of gas in liquid. Again you listen, mole fraction of gas inside the liquid. And KH is what? Henry law constant. So this is your Henry law. What we need to understand, first point, what we have to observe this KH which we are getting, this KH is directly proportional to temperature. Means if your temperature is high, so your KH value will be also high. The first thing you need to know this in Henry law. Come to the second. If we'll talk about second conclusion, actually this is conclusion, so you can treat it as a conclusion. So let me put little down. So after knowing first conclusion, let's come to the second conclusion. Second conclusion is that only, the same thing only, if pressure gas is directly proportional to mole fraction. So आप खुद ही सोचो, if there are more moles inside the liquid, what does it mean? If more moles are there inside the liquid means what? That gas is highly soluble inside the water. So what I can write? Directly proportional to what? Solubility. Directly proportional to what? Solubility. So if I am saying anywhere ki mole fraction is more, so you'll be saying ki sir, solubility is also more and pressure applied by gas is also more. Now come to third and final conclusion, we can write as a same time. Suppose constant pressure is there. At constant pressure, after getting these three conclusions, all options are understood and we can directly mark the answer of your question. At constant pressure, if temperature will be high, just you think, if temperature will be high, so what will happen? You just now you have been taught that temperature and Henry law constant is directly proportional or inversely proportional. Directly proportional. So two things I can write. If Henry law constant is high, so based on first what I can write, temperature will be also high. So KH is more, so temperature will be also more. Now you logically think, if temperature is more, so you only just give me one example. Suppose you have a one cold drink bottle. This cold drink bottle you put in refrigerator, and another cold drink bottle, same company, everything, amount, everything same, you are keeping on rooftop. Your son is there. So you tell me, if we'll talk about refrigerators, so whatever gas molecule will be there, that will be what, highly soluble or less soluble? You'll be saying, sir, highly soluble. And if we'll talk about rooftop, that container which you have put, what you can comment about the gas present inside the that Coca-Cola bottle? You'll be saying, sir, it will be what, less soluble. On what logic I'm telling less soluble? If you'll drink the cold drink bottle which was kept in hot condition, so what, any effervescence will come from your mouth? No, there will be no sound. But if you'll drink the cold drink bottle which you have put in refrigerator, you'll feel your effervescence will come ki, ki something is coming from in your stomach, means CO2 gas is going to evolve. So what I mean to say, directly I can write Henry law constant is more, so temperature will be also more. और अगर टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा हुआ तो जो भी गैस मॉलिक्यूल है लिक्विड के अंदर वो रहेंगे नहीं, वो बाहर चले जाएंगे. तो सॉलिबिलिटी बढ़ेगी कि घटेगी. So that you came to know, solubility will be inversely proportional. If that is the thing we understood, so question is done, everything we have got it. अब now you check it. I will show you this option. First option they are telling कि the value of KH increases with function of nature of gas. Nature of gas is going to change, so KH will also increase. So first is right only. Come to second option. Higher the value of KH at given pressure, higher is the solubility of gas in liquid. Definitely it is wrong. They are telling कि if KH is high at constant pressure, higher will be solubility. How it is possible? Just now we have discussed, if KH is high, so temperature will be also high, and if temperature will be high, what will happen? Gas molecule will not be soluble, it will be insoluble. So inversely proportional to what? Solubility. So they are telling ki higher the KH, higher will be solubility. That is definitely wrong. Solubility will be what? Low. So that's why which is incorrect option. Option 2 will be your answer. Let's check the other options very fast. Third, partial pressure of gas in vapor phase is proportional to mole fraction. Yeah, right only. If you are going to apply more partial pressure, so what will happen? More will be mole fraction. So third is also right. Fourth, different gases have different KH value at same temperature. Yes, suppose O2 gas is there and nitrogen gas is there, and temperature you are putting 100 degrees Celsius. So yes, these O2 and N2 will be having different KH. Okay, because nature of gas is different, no? So that's why. So only one thing you need to know for this: KH is directly proportional to temperature, and temperature is inversely proportional to solubility. Higher temperature, gas will be less soluble. That's it. So your answer will be second. That is incorrect. So thank you so much, all of you. Thank you.